Welcome back. Today we'll be doing question number 8. Find the remainder when this function is divided by x plus 1. Actually, there's a rule, but to make it easier for you, here, equate this to 0. Here we have x plus 1 equals to 0. Then here we have that x is what? Negative 1, which makes it very easy to do. Now we have x to be negative 1. So what we want to do here is we have f of x. Instead of x here, we have the solution for x, which is negative 1, to be equals to. Plugging this into this equation to see what the remainder is going to be. Now, to do this, now we have 2. X, which is negative 1 to the power of 3, minus 4. X, which is negative 1 to the power of 2, plus x minus 7. Now, negative 1 to the power of 3 is negative 1. So here we still have 2, negative 1. Minus 4. Negative 1 to the power of 2 is positive 1. That is, the negative is going to cancel out. Plus x, which is negative 1. I'm going to put this minus 7. Now, to simplify further here, we have 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, negative 4, negative 1, and negative 7. 2, 4, 1, 7 plus 7, which is 14. So our answer is negative 14. So the remainder is going to be this, and which is option number A. Thank you very much for watching. Please follow for more so that you can see question 9. Thank you.